My name's Paul Devoy. I work for a large chemical company. I guess you would say I'm an engineer. I constantly optimize either processes or systems. Installing solar wasn't something that I was really even thinking of. I went to a workshop and learned everything I needed to know to make the decision that night. And what I liked about SunPower was the efficiency as well as the aesthetics. It can look good on your house. People think, I would never do that because it's ugly. Well, it doesn't have to be, right? It can be elegant. The installation was multiple days, 3 days actually. It was pretty painless from my point of view, and we weren't involved. I was looking at it and saying, oh, that's looking pretty good, and next thing I know, it was done. The average bill before we went solar was about $2,200 a year. After we got solar, we had several years where essentially we're not paying anything to the electric company. I don't think there's any investment you can do with your house, period. I've asked this to people. You tell me an investment that you can do that actually is going to pay you money. If you put in a pool, it doesn't pay you money. If you put in a kitchen, it doesn't pay you money. Well, if I put in a solar system, I can calculate exactly what I'm getting back. It's wonderful when the bill shows up and it's got $2.83 on it, but it's just a really good feeling knowing that, we're positively contributing to the environment, right? We're actually putting electricity into the grid on a daily basis. Again, it's a no-brainer from a financial point of view. And it's such a great investment from a personal point of view. Not only would I do it again, I am doing it again. So as we move from New Jersey to North Carolina, I'm leaving behind a system here that's going to generate electricity for the next owner. And when I go to North Carolina, I'm going to do it again.